So, questions to ask about your marketing strategy. How is your product differentiated from competitor products? And I like to use a comparison matrix to illustrate this. What is your position in the market? I like to use a positioning map or a blue ocean strategy canvas to illustrate this. What are your price, place, product, promotion, and initial sales plan? And what is your tagline? Let's look at each of those questions in a little more detail. Product differentiation, shown through a comparison matrix. Product differentiation, it's not the same as sustainable competitive advantage. This is a very important distinction to make. We'll talk more about sustainable competitive advantage in a little while. Product differentiation is how is your product better or different, and especially better than competitor products on dimensions that are important to your customers. So I find a very effective way to communicate this information is in a comparison matrix like the one that we're looking at here. Across the x-axis are you and a reasonable selection of competitors. Up and down the y-axis are the features or benefits of your product that are important to customers. In a comparison matrix, I like to use graphics rather than words. If you put text into each of these boxes, it's going to be very difficult quickly to understand what is exactly the differentiation of your product from competitor products. But with a graphical representation like this, it's actually very straightforward and simple. So in my comparison matrix here, a full circle represents the full benefit. So your product has this benefit to the highest degree. Empty circle means the benefit is missing from the product, and a partially filled circle means the benefit is present to some degree. So we can very quickly, by looking at this comparison matrix, see that our product is better than all the other competitor products on all the dimensions we've selected to compare. And key is benefit number one. Presumably benefit number one is our innovation. This is why none of the other competitors are able to match this. And competitor two is our closest competition in terms of the feature differentiation. If they could implement benefit one, then we're going to be in very tight competition with them. A couple of errors to avoid in constructing a comparison matrix like this. We shouldn't see that, for example, if competitor one had all empty circles, then they probably shouldn't be in the matrix. If everybody in the competitive matrix had the full value of benefit 6, then it's also not differentiation anymore. We should probably remove it. So I think we need to carefully select competitors to be showing both a reasonable view of the market and carefully select benefits so that we have not just cherry-pick benefits where we're going to obviously be better than everybody else, but we give a reasonable comparison of our product to real competitor products.